similar to creating a driver card, creating a vehicle card is the same options, but we do have a couple additional fields here. So we have odometer and odometer reasonability, as well as allow odometer entry. So let me show you how those work. If we have odometer reasonability turned on, that means that the transaction is going to prompt for an odometer. It's going to then compare that odometer to the restriction that you have here to see if it's hitting a defined limit of what you consider reasonable. So for here, for example, 0 to 100 means that this vehicle can go 0 miles or 100 miles more than the last known odometer entry, and then it will allow you to fuel without any issues. If you try to fuel something more than that, then it's going to flag it, and it's going to say that the entry that you've entered is not reasonable based on this configuration. And then how your system's configured will allow you to fuel, or it will deny you to fuel and require you to keep entering until you enter a correct number. Here, you could set these for various different levels. So these numbers can be changed. So 0 to 1,000. So if I had 51,000 miles on my vehicle the last time I fueled, if I have 52,000 miles, then it's still reasonable. And then here you'll want to enter your current odometer value. So again, if I do 51,000 miles on this vehicle, then I can enter a range of 0 to 1,000 between this. So if somebody enters 51,000, that'll be fine. If somebody enters 51,500, that would be. So that's how the odometer and the odometer reasonability work. Now, the allow odometer entry is a little bit different. The allow odometer entry basically allows you to prompt for an odometer. It's not going to be checking the odometer based on the odometer number that you have in here. It's only going to say, I am flagged to prompt for odometer. Every time I enter an odometer, or every time I enter the card and it's valid and it gets past that and it's going to authorize, it's just going to prompt me for odometer. It's not going to compare anything to anything. It's not going to know what the other value was. It's just going to prompt, and then it's going to update the card with the latest odometer value. So I just wanted to show you the difference between allow odometer and using odometer with odometer reasonability. If you have odometer reasonability turned off, then you will only see this allow odometer entry and you will not see these options down here.